excellent Los Sabinos home, 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
This is a modified Tabachin model, extended to fit on the corner lot. Never before on the market, as these are the original owners.
Walk into an open concept living, dining area with a comfortably large kitchen. The living area is extended in this model, replacing the back terrace and providing this home with a much larger interior living space than other lower Los Sabinos homes. The second bedroom has custom-built wood cabinetry. The house is fully furnished, turnkey, and ready to go. The master bedroom has cupola ceilings with recessed lighting, an ensuite walk-in closet, and a bathroom, complete with a large lockable owner's closet. Outside, you have all rock patios beautifully decorated with an assortment of colorful plants and cacti. A covered double carport provides shade for your vehicles, and is conveniently located at the end of the cul-de-sac. As an added bonus, this home has steps leading to a rare uncovered rooftop mirador, where you can set up a table and chairs and enjoy cocktails while admiring a wonderful lake view. If you're not familiar with Los Sabinos, it's one of the best-run subdivisions in Ajijic. It features a large lap pool, an always-hot jacuzzi, a well-equipped gym, a clubhouse, a barbecue area, and 24-hour security.